Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video we'll be showing you guys how to create a collaborative playlist on Spotify. If you want to make a playlist that you and your friend can add songs to, let's create a collaborative playlist on Spotify. Go ahead and open your Spotify app on your phone or desktop. Go to your library and then tap on create playlist to make a new playlist or pick an existing one. Then just go ahead and tap on the three dots or right click on the desktop and select make collaborative plans. And then now share playlist link with your friends. Anyone with the link can add, remove or record our songs. Enjoy building the ultimate playlist together with all your friends' favorite tracks. And that's it. Collaborative playlist makes listening with friends super fun. I hope this video helped you make an collaborative playlist on Spotify. If it did, let me know in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up and do not forget to hit that subscribe button. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. See you on the next one.